Top 5 most subscribed YouTube channels. Vlad and Nikki. These are kids, bro. Hey, Ryan, you let these folks take over, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. What you doing, Ryan? Set India. Content for Indians. Content for Indians. I'm guessing because the Indian population is so damn high. This might be like one of the only things they can watch in India or something like that. Maybe they're not allowed to watch other YouTube content except for Set India. Y'all let me know. Coco Melon. I'm talking about Wheels on the Bus got 8 billion views. We know why Coco Melon lit. We ain't got to do all that extra. T-Series. I'm not sure what this is. Kinda look like Set India. It looked like it got Indian people on here, so who knows what this shit is, bro. Before we get to number one, I got an honorable mention for y'all. The honorable mention, we got PewDiePie. You feel what I'm saying? PewDiePie is somebody I used to watch as a kid. Crazy enough to say, because I probably would never watch PewDiePie at the age that I'm at right now. But number one, Mr. Beast. My nigga, Mr. Beast. 485 million subscribers.